Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC, we're going to go over how you would replace the window switch. This is the windows up and down, the lock, the door lock, and this switch, the one that controls your mirrors. Number one, you're going to want to make sure you push this to the left side, not in the middle or not on the right. Push it to the left. It will be so much easier for you to get it undone. And this is for the mirror portion. So if you need to replace it, this is one whole unit here, and this is a unit by itself. So if the mirror isn't working to adjust left or right, it could potentially be just this and not the mirror itself, but it would be just this one unit. And then if anything in your door lock function, windows up and down, and the child lock door, those are in a whole switch right here. So with the door removed from the car, you can take it, put it on a good flat surface, and then you've got some clips right here that are holding it in, and we got some push tabs down here on the bottom to be able to unlock and get it to pop out. So you can pop the top ones just with a little screwdriver and kind of pulling on it, and you'll hear it snap out. There. So that one has been released, and you can remove these individually. You don't have to remove them both at the same time. Then with those, then you can push down on this tab. You almost think you're gonna break them, but as you push down and then just kind of pull on it. We've got the back two released. Push down on that one. And that's how you pull out the window switch unit. This is all the windows portions, and so you would pull that out. Then you would take your new one when you get it and be able to just take it and just line it up and snap it back into place. This one, you've got the same kind of holding. We've got two little clips on the top. I'm just going to get those to pop down. Once you got it pulled down a little bit, then you can push the tabs down and rock it out. And then it pops out. So now it's been popped out. So you would take your new one when you get one. And this is why you want to see if you have this pushed to the right, this catches and doesn't pull out. So you want to make sure you have it pushed to the left. But you would just take your new one and in a reverse order, just put it up, snap it into place. And that's how you replace your window switches in your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.